Hello tailors, in the second part I'll show the process of sewing a skirt, how to attach an invisible zipper, how to attach a skirt waistband, how to sew darts, how to sew a hem. The line of the middle of the front and back of the skirt is applied to the fold of fabric. Add seam allowances 1 cm along the side and top cut of the skirt. The first part of the video about the design of the skirt ended on the fact that I promised to tell you why I cut the darts in half. On the fabric I also draw a mid darts line and one side darts line. With hand stitches I mark darts lines. It's much easier to fold the fabric along the middle of the darts and lay the stitch side line of the darts, then connecting the two side lines of the darts. This is not convenient and takes more time. First, ironing the darts. Darts are always directed in the middle. Iron the middle of the skirt. The darts on the back of the skirt are deeper, so I'll iron them with the help of special purls. On a flat surface, do not iron darts as our body is not flat. Claps length 8 cm. Before sewing the side seam, first process each side cut of the skirt on the overlock. Iron the seam allowance. The claps are 80 cm. Therefore, then I'll lay the stitches on the 8 cm mark I set the fastener. The seam should be removed. In this section, I'll attach a zipper. Apply the front side of the zipper to the front side of the allowance. You can sew such a zipper with a regular hood. A special hood is not necessary for this. Sew the zipper. 1 cm waist seam allowance. Apply the belt with the front side to the front side of the skirt. Before attaching the belt, align the waistline. And sew a stitch 1 cm wide. On the one hand, we'll issue a 5 cm belt and on the other hand 1 cm. Fold the belt face in and lay a stitch. We can cut corners so that there is no seal and it's easier to turn them on the front side. The allowance goes up. Close the belt, lay the stitch on the front of the skirt in the seam. Before sewing a stitch on a sewing machine, I'll fasten the belt with hand stitch. On this allowance, we can sew a button and make buttonhole. The skirt hem allowance is 4 cm. Align the hem of the skirt, mark 4 cm. Duplicate these 4 cm using non-woven and then process the bottom cut on the overlock. Iron this allowance and lay the stitch on the foot. I'll see you next time. Bye.